Hey everyone, today we're walking through how to change the oil on your Predator 5000 watt generator from Harbor Freight. Whether it's your first oil change or regular maintenance, we'll make it simple. And we'll also install a few Votex upgrades that help protect your generator from day one. Let's start with what you need. 10mm socket or wrench, oil drain pan, funnel, Allen wrench for the dipstick, 10W30 oil, and optional but recommended Votex crush washer. Start by running the generator for a few minutes. Warming up the oil helps it drain more efficiently. Once it's warm, shut it down, disconnect the spark plug, and let's get started. The Predator 5000 has two possible drain plug locations depending on the unit. One is a side-mounted bolt near the base of the engine. The other is bottom-mounted directly underneath. Use a 10mm socket to remove the drain bolt and let the oil flow into a pan. You'll also want to remove the dipstick to let air in and help it drain cleanly. Now we're installing the Votex magnetic drain plug. This uses a rare earth neodymium magnet rated for high temperatures, so it holds its strength even when your engine is running hot. That means it'll capture and hold metal shavings before they can damage your engine, especially useful during the break-in period. And don't forget to add a Votex crush washer for a tight seal. They're USA made, and with the 20-pack, you're set for years of oil changes. Next, we'll install the Votex magnetic dipstick. This stainless steel upgrade replaces the factory dipstick and adds another layer of protection with a magnet in the tip to collect wear particles. It uses a flat O-ring for better sealing, and the Allen key head helps remove it, especially handy if you accidentally over-tightened it during a previous change. Before we add new oil, take a moment to compare the Votex dipstick to the factory one. This way, you'll know exactly how the high and low marks align on the upgraded version, and won't have to second guess the oil level later. Now it's time to add oil. The Predator 5000 takes approximately 20 ounces of 10W30 per the manual. Add oil slowly using a funnel, then check your level using the new Votex dipstick. You'll want the oil right at the top line, but not overfilled. Once your oil levels look good, reinstall your dipstick, check the magnetic drain plug for tightness, and wipe away any excess oil. Dispose of your used oil properly, reconnect your spark plug, and you're all set. And that's how you change the oil on your Predator 5000 watt generator. With the Votex magnetic drain plug, dipstick, and crush washers installed, you've just given your generator a serious upgrade in long-term protection. All the tools and parts we used are linked in the description. Make sure to check out our unboxing and setup video if you haven't already, and hit like and subscribe for more helpful generator tips.